Good morning on November the 9th, Bitcoin update, and having a look at what happened the past 72 hours and at my analysis from the past days, what I was looking for and what went wrong. I was looking for a corrective bounce in this big downtrend. I wasn't sure the bottom would be in here. I've been warning for 12,000 for a long time. But when I looked at the market, the global market, financial market, the indices being pretty strong. Let's have a look at the S&P 500. I was looking for another bounce to the upside, and the dollar especially being pretty weak and making that double correction here towards 107. That made me believe, I did explain it in a longer video about 10 days ago, that made me believe that we could see a double correction in the downtrend for Bitcoin and crypto in general. Also, altcoins were really doing well the past week. And that was all feeding my idea of this double correction. But yeah, that got invalidated with this new low we made. If you purely look at liquidity and ranges, you could say here, look, we are still in the range. We took out the previous low, so we have a perfect opportunity to go up again. I don't believe in that theory. The market in its whole is brutally damaged, and it takes a while to repair that. And it feels to me that we can have some more downside. And to check where we could be going, I checked my Elliott wave analysis, which I also showed you many times for Ether. And I said many times, well, we do have here a downtrend, a strong move to the upside. Past week, I was thinking we could be doing this. But 2 weeks ago, I was more looking like this move. And with the recent developments, this is coming back into play, and that would bring Ether towards to start off sub 1,000 and maybe even going to $700. When I use that pattern for my Bitcoin analysis, I do have the same, more or less. Yeah, it is the same. We have leg number 1 to the downside, leg number 3. Leg number 2 as the bounce, leg number 3 downside towards 15,000, some more bounce in 4, and then possibly that move to 12K, which I've been showing you for a while, which is like this in that zone. The shorter term, let me go back to the daily. You already see I do have a green box over here. What happened in the past 72 hours? So we have leg number 2 in place here. We made leg number 1, 2, 3, 4 yesterday. That was the bounce. I'm not sure if 4 is in place here, but we should at least get one more leg to the downside. If 4 is in place here, this top, then one more, the leg, it seems we're doing it right now, could bring us sub $17,000. But actually, you only have confirmation for that, well, if you follow Elliott wave, when we break this low. We could still do something like this, A, B, C, a bit more correction, and then come down. And then we won't go that deep, then somewhere here maybe, but difference won't be that big. Most important is that I do think we do get one more leg to the downside to complete the first leg in leg number 3. Let me show you. Like this. Leg number 1. Leg number 2 should be a bounce. I must say, when Bitcoin is really weak, we have seen many times, then those bounces are not really that big, but yeah, we should see some bounce, and then leg number 3 bringing us sub 15,000 possibly. Not a nice view, but yeah, I can't make it any better, and to me it feels like upside from here feels more like a miracle, and the whole industry in its whole is looking not good, and especially when the dollar is breaking down, but Bitcoin decoupling and doing its own or having its own problems. It looks like the moment the dollar starts bouncing, it is only bringing more pressure on crypto, and leading to those lower targets. That's it for now. What I said, I do think some more downside today. We are already going down. I hope it makes sense, my explanation why I was looking for that double correction to 26,000, which got invalidated by all the troubles around FTX and Binance. And yeah, let's see what we can make of it. Maybe tomorrow we can look for a bit of a bounce. I don't know yet, but let's see tomorrow. Thank you for now, and wishing you all the best when you are somehow affected by the problems around FTX. Stay safe.